Now that was a budgie. So I'll try to make this video a short one. So there was this female budgie which I named Pearl, which she had laid 2 eggs, which I was very happy of. Usually every morning it was my routine to clean budgie cage, but today, however, I was engaged a bit, so my father decided to clean the cage. My father opened the cage door. He took out the base cover, and obviously the budgies were terrified, and therefore in that process one of the budgies, Pearl, she came out of the cage. Now there is nothing wrong in a budgie coming out of the cage. The problem was my budgie, that is Pearl, wasn't fully tamed, and budgies in fact are native to Australia. So there were 3 major problems with me in my case. Number 1 was budgies, since they are native to Australia, they cannot find the proper climate to survive, the food, the water and other resources. And number 2, even if, let us assume, I was in Australia, if I let my bird go free, then they are pet birds, they are small, they have born in a cage and they do not have that habit to live in a wild habitat. Therefore they still cannot find and fetch for their food and water. And number 3, let us assume that they could find their food and water and a place to sleep and place to live. Even then, it wouldn't survive for long. The reason? Because these small birds are habitual to live in a flock, a group, a large group. Therefore, your budgie is not likely to survive. So I was extremely sad, and then I went with my father to the Nakhhas market to purchase some new female budgies.
काट रहा है धीमे धीमे